There is this belief: when you drink fruit or vegetable juices, or mix everything and make a smoothie, you'll lose weight and become healthier. From one perspective, yes, you can become healthier and gain different nutrients when drinking healthy smoothies. But plenty of the famous smoothie recipes is actually not good for you. What people struggle to understand is calorie intake, which determines if you will gain weight or lose weight. Often these smoothies that you make and enjoy are full of calories. Even green smoothies can cause weight gain if you aren't careful about what you put in them. Keep in mind that smoothies can be a good breakfast idea, as long as it's filled with a good balance of nutrients, including carbs, protein, and healthy fat. The problem is when you mix a lot of fruits, you can clock at least 500 calories from one drink. But because of the high natural sugar level in these fruits, you'll feel empty already in an hour. A good idea is to increase the protein level in the smoothie. Dietitians recommend getting between 20 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. Protein powders are an excellent way to pack in this essential macronutrient. But make sure you choose a powder with little to no sugar at all. Another mistake to avoid is to stop adding extra sweeteners. 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup will tack on over 60 extra calories. You don't need it if your smoothie contains naturally sweet fruit. Avoid the extra sugars, and experiment with using plain yogurt and unsweetened soy or almond milk instead. So the real question is, should you even consider drinking smoothies? If you have trouble eating enough vegetables, smoothie is a great way to incorporate more greens into your diet with the flavors you love. And sometimes, a tasty smoothie is all you need to make your day feel better. To learn more about smoothies and how they could help you lose weight, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video, like and subscribe.